SaleMove's vision is to meet or exceed the in-person customer experience online. We want to make it so that when you walk onto a website, it's just like you walked into a branch or a physical location. You should be able to seamlessly approach someone for a conversation, collaborate with them on content, and make decisions right there on the spot. Now, let me show you what that looks like in the digital realm. So I'm a client of Module Bank here, and I've come onto the website, and I'm looking to upgrade my insurance policy today. Now, note that this applies to insurance, general banking, financial advisory, mortgages, but I'm going to stick to an insurance use case today. So I'm a client, I've come onto and I'm on the home page, and I see this tab over here on the left-hand side that says Live Advisor. Now, when I hover over, I can actually see Bali here, and she's available for video, voice, phone, and chat. Now, I'm not quite ready to reach out to anybody just yet. I'm going to go ahead and start the enrollment process on my own. So I'm going to head over to the enrollment form here, and I'm going to start. I know I want insurance, and I'm going to start typing in my name here. And oh, it says an insurance expert is available for you in the London area. Now, that is something that I am actually interested in. So I'm going to go ahead and hover over here, and I'm going to reach out to Justin now. I see that he's away for a second. But let's see if I select insurance over here. Now I can see Bali here, and I'm going to go back to the enrollment form. I'm going to go insurance. Hi, welcome to our bank. All right, let me just hop back over to Justin just a second. The demo gods. All right. There we go. So I'll start the conversation with Justin. I'm going to start with chat. And I can see this. He's accepted now. And Justin says, welcome to Module Bank. Can I guide you through the insurance enrollment process? That sounds great to me, so I'm going to say sounds good. So now Justin has offered me to co-browse, right? And it says here that this experience is only going to be enabled on this particular website, not on the whole device or the whole computer. So I'm going to go ahead and allow that because that sounds great. And just like that, no downloads, no installations, no plugins, no crazy pins to enter, anything like that. We're now browsing the website together in real time. And he's helping me enter this. He says, tell us about your financial health. I'm not really sure what that means. So he says, would you mind if we spoke? It would be easier to discuss the field about your financial health. And I'm going to say, great. So just like that, Justin can also offer up video chat. And in one click, hey, Justin.
Hey, Dan. Welcome to Module Bank. Can I help you fill out your financial health?
I just bought a house. Is that relevant?
Yeah, sure.
All right. So we took a standard chat. We layered in this co-browsing experience in a single click, and then we upgraded all the way up to video. Now, let's say I'm a customer, right, and I don't want to be on camera. I'm in my house, in my pajamas. I don't really want to be on camera. I can simply shut off my video just like that. Or if I'm in the office, I can keep my headset in, and I can talk. I can't necessarily talk to Justin, but I can type back. I can also shut off my audio. So you can see how this makes the process of applying for a mortgage or enrolling in insurance, general banking, a lot easier and quicker when I can have a face-to-face like this. Now, I'm going to go ahead and end this conversation. And I want to show you one more thing before I shift over to the operator side. Let's say, what if you could take this high-touch, seamless way of engaging with your customers and bring it to the most common way in which visitors reach out to you today, which is the phone call. Now, let's say that I'm back on the enrollment form and I want to reach out to somebody, but I don't necessarily want to use the Live Advisor tab. I want to call the number up here. So I'm going to dial 870-600-0748. I'm old school. I'm going to go with the phone. So as I call, you see an engagement starts right away just from the phone. Justin comes on the screen, and Justin, can you offer me co-browsing? Now he's offered me to co-browse. So we can take a session, pre-authenticate the visitor because we know exactly where they are just based on a unique phone number that they have dialed that pairs their session with this co-browsing session. This is a feature that we call OmniCall. So now I want to hop over to the operator side quickly and just show you what this looks like on the institution side, right? So let me head over to our app over here. I'll log in. Now, you'll see that we can try to keep it really clean and easy to use, right? We want to give the impression that you've stepped behind the counter and you can see that everything that's happening in your branch. So I can see visitor number 8, and I can see Steven Silverman here, an existing client of mine. So, and Steven's actually calling me. It says an incoming video call from Steven Silverman. So I'm going to go ahead and accept that. Hey, Steven.
Hey, Dan, how's it going?
Steven is Justin's twin. So we're now in a conversation with Steven, and I can offer up the co-browsing again simply by clicking in here. And let's say that I wanted to push this conversation over to somebody who may be more appropriate to fill up this insurance form or any other request that Steven may have. I can simply click this transfer button here and select Bali, for example, and transfer off to her. Now I'm going to end this engagement, and I just want to highlight a couple more things as I wrap up here. Now, CTOs and CIOs love us because we have a robust, secure architecture and a lot of great documentation and integration points. You know, we sit on any existing website, so everything that you saw on Module Bank can be easily installed on any of your sites right away, out of the box in less than a day. Okay? So you can leverage all of that great stuff that you put into your site. You can leverage this co-browsing and video chat technology right away. So, as I mentioned, you know, we have a lot of administrative functionality that CTOs and CIOs love. We have a section here where I can see statistics and I can see charts and ROI. I can control the users and group them into teams and so forth. So that's SaleMove in a nutshell, and we believe that this is the future and that these interactions will be a part of our everyday lives. And the key is in the simplicity. It should be just as easy as walking up to somebody in person. If you'd like to learn more, please visit us at our booth or reach out at Finovate@salemove.com. Thank you very much.